When a guy looks at a girl's lips, it can suggest various things depending on the context and the dynamics between the two individuals. In this video, we will discuss about 7 reasons why a guy may look at your lips. Number 1. Attraction and physical desire. Looking at someone's lips can be a sign of physical attraction or romantic interest. It might indicate that the person is drawn to other person and finds them attractive. People's lips hold a significant place in human aesthetics, often regarded as sensual and appealing. Consequently, when a guy likes you, his gaze instinctively gravitates toward this captivating feather. Number 2. Imagining a kiss. The lips are intimately associated with kissing, a gesture that symbolizes romance and affection. When a guy starts to look at your lips, it could mean that he is imagining kissing you. This can suggest that he desires to take the friendship to a more romantic level with a kiss and explore the potential for a more intimate relationship. Number 3. Desire for intimacy. Focusing on the lips can suggest a desire for intimacy or longing for a closer connection. It could signify a wish to kiss or engage in more intimate moment. Number 4. Communication and focus. Sometimes people look at the lips while someone is speaking to better understand or focus on the words being said. It might be a non-verbal way of paying close attention to the conversation. Number 5. Subconscious gesture. In some cases, looking at someone's lips might be an unconscious or subconscious behavior without any specific intention behind it. Number 6. Nervousness or shyness. It is also possible that the person feels nervous or shy, and looking at the lips could be a way of redirecting their gaze if they feel uncomfortable making direct eye contact. Number 7. Non-verbal flirting. Non-verbal cues are essential in the realm of attraction, and looking at your lips can be a form of non-verbal flirting. It's a way for him to communicate his interest and create an intimate atmosphere. By directing his gaze toward your lips, he is subtly indicating that he is physically attracted to you and is open to possibility of a deeper connection.